$10. Not much, is it? A burger and chips, maybe. But listen up, because that tenner can be a seed. Plant it right, give it time, and watch it grow into a mighty financial tree. Sounds crazy? It's not. It's the power of compound interest, baby. Think of it like this. You put $10 in a savings account, even a measly 5% interest. Doesn't seem like much, right? But year after year, that interest adds up. Then, the interest earns interest. That's the magic. Now, I'm not saying chuck your tenner in a savings account and wait for riches. We're gonna get our hands dirty. We're talking side hustles, smart investments, the whole 9 yards. This ain't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building wealth brick by brick, starting with that $10 you got in your pocket. Ready to get started? Let's roll. Before we make it rain, we gotta fix that leaky roof. Your mindset is everything. Debt dragging you down? Cut it up. Spending more than you earn? Not on our watch. Get yourself some financial education. Read books, listen to podcasts, learn about budgeting and investing. Knowledge is power, people. Next step, set goals. What do you want that $10,000 for? A house deposit? Starting your own business? Write it down, picture it, feel that fire in your belly. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and watch your money grow. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. You got your $10 burning a hole in your pocket, here's what you do. First, turn that $10 into 20. Wash a car, walk a dog, sell something online. Easy peasy. Now you're cooking with gas. Next, invest in yourself. Buy a second-hand lawnmower and offer lawn care services. Get certified in a new skill online. Turn that $20 into a money-making machine. See what's happening? You're not just saving, you're multiplying your money. Now take those profits and reinvest. Buy more stock, expand your business, keep that momentum going. Listen up, this ain't a one-time thing, this is a lifestyle change. Keep hustling, keep learning, keep investing. Rome wasn't built in a day, remember? Don't be scared to take calculated risks. Got a hot stock tip? Invest a small amount, see how it goes. Starting a business? Do your research, start small, and scale up. Most importantly, stay patient. Don't expect to turn $10 into 10 grand overnight. This takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But I promise you, it's worth it. So get out there, take that first step, and start building your financial future. One $10 bill at a time. You got this.